Hello everyone, welcome to TechScale. So as I promised that I'll be making a video on the BlissROM and its installation procedure, whether it is safe for you to migrate from any other custom ROM to the BlissROM. So let's start the video first. I'll just tell you that I have already downloaded the BlissROM build in my laptop and I'll just copy it in my phone. So before I do that, I just want to tell you that I will leave the link in the description as well. And please subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful, right? So this will help me in growing the channel and making more videos for you, right? So I'll tell you the install procedure first. It's very same how we usually install the custom ROMs, but make sure if you are migrating from any other, for example Pixel ROM, Havoc OS or any other custom ROM, firstly you have to remove all the security from your phone. For example, if you have used any security lock, you have to remove it. For example, I have no security lock, so I'll simply go and move it to TWRP, right? So I'll click the power up button and the volume button for some time and it will go to the TWRP section. So it will vibrate twice and it will go to the TWRP section. So it's on the TWRP. So first what you have to do is you have to go to the wipe section and advanced wipe, remove the Dalvik, remove the cache and remove the system, right? So now you simply swipe. Before you do this, I want to tell you that always keep a backup of your ROM, just in case if you for example, if you lost the data, that won't be a problem, right? Because custom ROMs are good, but they sometimes come with some bugs, so always keep the data backed up. Now I'll go back and I'll go to install, and you can see at the bottom I have Bliss, this for Beryllium, because I have copied it to my internal storage. I'll click on this and I will swipe. Before I do that, I want to tell you, please watch the video to the full length. I'll tell you if it's safe for you to migrate or whether you have to wipe the data as well, like you have to completely format the device or not, if just migrating like the dirty flash would work, just like I'm doing. If it works, I'll tell you that, and if it doesn't work, I'll also tell you that. So please watch the video full. So this says Bliss, and just let me tell you that the build it's showing something here, and the build date, it's of 26th of April, that is yesterday. The security patch is of 5th of April 2021, and as we can see that it is patching the system image. So I'll just fast forward the video and I'll meet you at the other end. If any error comes, I will surely honestly tell you that there was an error in the installation, and if it goes well, you will just simply see it. And that's why I request you to watch the video full, so that if there is any error, I'll tell you, and the resolution of that error as well. So the ROM have successfully installed, and I'll quickly restart it and tell you if it goes into the boot loop or not. I'm going to reboot it now. Here it goes, the Poco animation, and here comes the BlissOS animation. This looks dope. Let me tell you, just look at this looks super dope. Right now it's booting up, and the first boot always takes some time, so we'll wait and I'll just fast forward the video. Before we move further in the video, I want to tell you that if you're on a custom ROM, like already on a custom ROM, maybe Pixel Experience, maybe Pixel ROM or any other custom ROM, you have to format all of the data before you install this ROM. So behind the scenes that happened, that the device went into continuous loop and it was not booting up. So I formatted the whole device and I again put the ROM here and I again flashed it. So this time it's booting for the second time. So I want to warn you that just back up your data before you do it. So, and do a complete full clean install of the BlissROM for Poco F1. Even after doing the clean flash, it will take some time, so hold there, right? So as you can see, our device just booted right in front of our eyes. So yeah, here it is. So I'll just quickly set this up. and I'll just skip everything for a while, just use the mobile data. So the device is getting set up automatically. It is saying that it will take a few minutes. I'll just fast forward the video from here. So I don't want to copy any data, just install the damn ROM. Some people also don't like installing it because it takes a little bit of time and a little bit of geekiness if you want to play around with these ROMs. Again, one advice from my side: whenever you are installing a custom ROM, any ROM, maybe it's the stablest ROM on the planet, just back up your data. No matter what I say, no matter what anyone else say, just back up your data and then only install it. So I have registered my fingerprint as well, and now it will just take few more minutes and our device will boot up. Can you hear? This is the boot sound that the ROM automatically plays. This was not me, this was the ROM itself. So as you can see, this is the home screen of the ROM. This is the home screen of the ROM. Chrome comes pre-installed in this, and it is the GApps build. So GApps will be already installed. All the Google services will be there, right? So as you can see, there is totally no bloatware at all, just a recorder app and the updater app and the settings app. If you go to the settings, it says finish setting up your pixel. So this is the Blissify. I think this is the customization menu. I will make a complete video on the total customization that you can do with this device, right? So for the timing, I'll just go to the about phone section and I will go to the Android section. As you can see, I'll just show you again that the Android security patch is of 5th of April 2021 and it's the Android 11 version, right? So the first impression looks super cool, I think. Yeah, the ROM is fluid and it is fast as well. Let me just remove the navigation. Where is navigation? Let's find where is navigation. So it must be in the about. No. So this little boy is hiding here in the gestures, and here we'll simply set it to full screen gestures. Right now we have the pill. As you can see, the ROM looks fluid and the animation works great, and we even have the assistant. Let's see. Yeah, it's the old assistant. This is not the new one, right? Let's see if OK Google works. Hey Google, I think right now we have to set it up. Hey Google, what is the time right now? Okay, fine. So it's working, right? Google is also working and it looks clean. Trust me, doesn't look very beautiful, maybe like just how the .os was looking. Let's see how the fingerprint works. You can see it works fantastically. Yeah, let's see if there is a face unlock option as well here. So we go to security and unfortunately the face lock is not there. If you are fond of face lock, this ROM is not for you. Anyways, this was my first initial impressions. The ROM is fluid and it is not even heavy. Yeah, so this is my first impression of the ROM and the install procedure, whether you should install it or not. I will review this ROM tomorrow and I'll be dropping a video right away, right? So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I keep posting tech videos as well. So if you want to support me, to subscribe to the channel. Won't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot, right? So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one, and I will leave the review video in the description whenever I make it, so keep a check on that. And I will leave the Discord link and the Telegram link of my channels and my servers there, so you get the continuous update. So just follow there, right? I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.